So that, I think it confirms that the institutions that are mandated to provide accountability, oversight and governance must be properly established, they must be strengthened. And the chairman of implementation, I do not know how do you interact with these reports of the Auditor General? At what point do you come in?
Chair, the reports are handled by the committee, that is the PAC committee at the Assembly. I only come to interact.
So if they don't handle them, you don't get seized of them?
Until the reports are taken in the Assembly, passed, that's when I interact with them, because mine is to implement the resolutions of the Assembly.
And from the look of things, the 3 months will end this week?
Yes.
And if there's been no invitation to the executive, it means that there'll be no report of the county assembly. I think this message must go out to all county assemblies. I know last week members of county assembly were in Nairobi for the legislative summit. I hope that there were some conversations. I was meant to come there to talk about issues of accountability, but on the first day the members were quite wild, so they didn't allow people to speak. If the county assembly was to do what it's required to do, honorable members, if you look at the report of the Auditor General, there's paragraph 5.12, just to demonstrate 5.14, project implementation status, Department of Education. Now, the Auditor General has done a good job. And Auditor, this is a level of detail we need. Because when you're this detailed, you are provided about 5 ECD classes.